Hello everyone, welcome to look at Rio Palace, Mexico, an amazing resort that truly feels like a slice of paradise. From above, this resort is simply stunning, with its beautiful layout of blue pools surrounded by green palms and a gorgeous beach with soft white sand meeting crystal clear turquoise water. As you step inside, the grand lobby shines with polished marble floors, glittered pillars and soft pink seats that add a warm touch. Outside, Rio stands proudly on the white building with steps leading you up to this impressive entrance. After the lobby, you will spot the lush green Palace sign by the pool, setting the scene for relaxation. You might even see a few playful monkeys around, and if you go diving, there is a chance to meet gentle stingrays underwater. And finally, the beach is absolutely breathtaking. Imagine lounging by the shore, feeling the soft sand, and looking out at the sparkling turquoise waves. It's the perfect spot to soak up the sun and enjoy a true gateway. When you arrive at the lobby, you are warmly welcomed by the staff, making you feel right at home. The lobby itself is a sight to see. Shiny floors and a beautiful pink and white theme that looks fresh and elegant. Everything is kept spotless, with staff constantly making sure every detail sparkles. Outside the lobby, there are cozy spots to relax, with tables and soft chairs perfect for unwinding. You will also find white sofas paired with sleek black tables, all set beside a charming little pool, creating an ideal space to chill. Then, as you step into your room, prepare to be amazed. The space is wonderfully bright and stylish, with glossy tile floors and a stunning design. The bathroom is modern and fully tiled, featuring a comfortable shower, and in some rooms there is even a bathtub right in the center, adding a touch of luxury. Large windows with elegant purple curtains open to the outdoors, letting in natural light. It's so beautiful and thoughtfully designed, you will be truly impressed. Let's talk about the food. It's an experience in itself. Friendly chiefs welcome you with a smile, ready to make anything from simple pancakes to incredible cuts of meat. Just looking at the counters, you will see a variety of delicious treats like toasts, pizza, and all sorts of tasty snacks. Seafood lovers will be thrilled with the selection, including crab, shrimp, different types of shellfish, and even large fish grilled and freshly sliced. Plus, there is an amazing assortment of fruits like pineapple, bananas, mango, kiwis, strawberries, and more. And for those with a sweet tooth, there is a delightful spread of desserts and pastries to satisfy any craving. It's truly fantastic dining experience. Looking from above, the pools at this resort are arranged perfectly, with convenient walkways between them and plenty of loungers for guests to relax and enjoy their time. In the main central pool, there is a swim bar where you can grab a drink, unwind and soak in the laid-back vibe. Guests spend their time lounging, unwinding on the sunbeds and enjoying the atmosphere in their own way, making it a perfect spot for relaxation. The pools have exciting foam parties which make everything more fun. From the pool you can watch live shows by performers like mariachi or even see acrobats doing amazing tricks. There is always something fun to see around the pool, making it a great place for everyone to enjoy. The beach at Rio Palace, Mexico in Playa del Carmen is beautiful, with soft white sand that has warm yellow tones. Right at the entrance to the beach there is a snack bar where guests can grab a quick bite. The area is full of loungers and shaded by palm trees, providing a relaxed and tropical vibe. The shore is sandy and easy to walk on, offering plenty of space for people to enjoy. There is also a lot of fun water activities, like motorsports, boat rides, yachts and even catamarans, for those who want some adventure. People can walk along the shore, relax or take part in water sports, making the beach an enjoyable and lively place for everyone. You can also dive or snorkel here and see lots of sea life around you. Many people take the chance to go diving and explore the underwater world. When the sun rises, the whole beach becomes magical and beautiful. People often come to the beach early just to catch the sunrise. It's truly a stunning way to start the day. As evening falls, the entire resort lights up with a special charm, glowing with vibrant Mexican colors, greens, reds and golden tones that create a warm, festive atmosphere. Guests dress up and gather in the lobby, setting the stage for a lively night. The energy in the air is contagious as everyone gets ready to enjoy a memorable evening. The resort offers a variety of performances, with talented artists and entertainers putting on shows that are both fun and captivating. From live music to dance acts and themed performances, there is something exciting for everyone to watch. The entertainers put in their best efforts to make sure every guest feels entertained and happy. The evening becomes a highlight, with laughter, cheers and applause filling the air, making it a truly special experience to remember. In conclusion, Rio Palace, Mexico in Playa del Carmen is a place where every detail feels like a touch of paradise, from the inviting pools, lively foam parties and scenic views of the turquoise ocean to the unforgettable dining options. This resort offers something special for everyone. The beach is perfect for relaxation and adventure alike, with options for snorkeling, diving and water sports, while the spacious lounges and shaded palm areas provide ultimate comfort. As the sun rises and sets, the resort's vibrant Mexican charm comes alive, especially in the evenings, with colorful performances and entertainment designed to make every guest feel truly welcome. It's a perfect blend of relaxation, beauty and fun, making Rio Palace, Mexico a destination worth experiencing. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Rio Palace, Mexico. I hope to see you here soon for your own unforgettable memories. Goodbye and stay tuned for more adventures.